do, y'all? What it do, y'all? It's your boy Mac today. Out here, got the watermelon patch growing today. Show y'all these watermelon plantings today. I'm out here gardening. In a second, I'm tired. Show y'all these watermelon greens over here. Watermelon greens. Watermelon. What's up, everybody? What it do? Everybody tap in. Where you from? All right. San Diego's in the house. We working hard. I've been out here. I cleared all this back here. All that. Oh, cleared all that. Almost bust my ass. Cleared all that back there, right? Weeds all up through here, right? So all that gone, right? So now planted a few cuttings. Y'all seen me messing with the watermelons. My uncle JT, right, out of Mississippi, talking about uncle, right? He finally sent me some yellow cut seeds, right? Chicago in the house. Everybody tapping. Where you from? All right. How you doing, Aaron 287? All right. So my uncle Brooklyn in the house. All right, check it out. My uncle sent me some seeds from Mississippi, some yellow cut joints from the farm, right? Been in the family forever, at least 70 years, right? Took him out my grandma's little jar. My grandma dead, right? She died when she was 88 years old in 2002, right? All right, we got Indianapolis in the house, Dallas in the house, Arkansas in the house. My pops from Arkansas. My pops in the Arkansas Hall of Fame. Detroit in the house. The D's in the house. What mile are you from? I'm bumping that I Swear Rich off Pints 3 right now. I can't stop bumping that. That's my favorite rapper. All right, so anyways, right? My Uncle JT yesterday sent me some yellow watermelon joints. So I was so excited, you know, for my grandma's jar. So I'm about to put these joints in the ground. I got them over here. Let's go on and, let's see. Let's go on and take a look. Y'all see them working. You know, you are turned around. You know what I mean? Well, I'm going to turn this joint around, all right? Hold on. All right, check it out, y'all. All right. Okay, we got... Right now, these. So today what we going to do, right? This the magic fertilizer I've been talking about. Let me take a drink of the magic fertilizer, too. This the magic fertilizer, but I got to drink me some, too. What this magic fertilizer is sea moss and nettle. These are going to ionize any plant, make them stronger than any. I'm giving them gold, calcium, psyllium, anything. Nitrates the plant need better than any soil, right? They from Lafayetteville. My dad in the Arkansas Hall of Fame. Garland, too. My granddaddy. All right. On the riverside, I got 300 acres on the Garland River side. All right, so these are some cuttings I just had, right? These are some cuttings I just had in a little pot. We're going to see if they take, right? These are yellow cuttings. These yellow cut joints that I had. I had put some into some seeds, right? Right here, these is those red joints. These is red cuts, seeded. The ones I've been showing y'all. See, there's a little one. You see a little watermelon already coming on here. See that one? So I'm going to transplant them. The reason why I still got them in the pot, see, I cut this. Hold on. See, I cut them like that, right? So the roots could go through, but I got some little gophers, right? So these gophers, I need to take that out anyways. So show y'all something. So these little gophers be trying to eat up everything. That's why I got the little chicken wire right here. You see what I'm saying? Hopefully he gonna get on it. You know what I mean? So over here, this another. All right, there we go. I don't know what was going on. Somebody might have been calling me or something. That's a red cut joint. All right, so while we're here, right? We're here because we're gonna, these are some more yellow cut. We're gonna take some of these yellow cuts right here. Take some of these right in there, right? Take a few, put them in there, right? Take some more right here. It's already sprouting there, right? Oh, okay, here you go. I'm gonna put another seed right here, just in case, right? See they do. See what they do, what it does. Thank you for the badge. Lunar Light 71. One love. All right. So I'll put the seeds right there. Most important thing. Remember what I was talking about? First, let's take a drink of the power. If we could drink it, the plant could drink it. How you gonna use a fertilizer you can't ingest? All right, what this is the sea moss and nettle, some of the most ironous herbs in the world. In here, We'll leave this like that. What we gonna do, y'all? What we gonna do? Pay close attention. Pour a little bit like that. Pour a little bit like that. You heard me? It's gonna give this a turbo boost like steroids right here. You heard me? And it irons the plant. Ironizes the plant. There's the most minerals a plant can get. You heard me? Especially with the ones like especially like this one. They got little watermelons growing. So like I said, I cut it already open just in case of a little growth. And so like this one, you see the little watermelon coming tomorrow. That watermelon is gonna be double in size. That flower gonna open up too, so we could pollinate it too. I guarantee you. May do it tonight. See this? It's the secret. That's the secret. It's a secret joint. Put some, you know what I'm saying? Like that. It's the real deal. Excuse me, y'all, got dirt all in my nose today. Been out here gardening. No mask on. I have to detox my lungs later. Drink some Mouillon tea. Right now we working. You know what I mean? Put that right there. Alright. So now y'all see. Alright. So now what we gonna do? Oh, my bad. Got a little seed right here. Let's put this joint right there on top of that. One more. Put him right here. So y'all see. Then we just gonna cover him up. We'll cover up right there, right? Just gonna cover him up. Hopefully, see in the morning. See, watermelon need a lot of sun, so I've had to pay attention to the spot. So everywhere I was, this is where weeds were growing. I let the weeds grow for a while to see how high they would get. I had to study the yard for a minute. You feel me? So in the morning, I'll get a lot of my sun, which would be good, but kind of bad because maybe these might not grow so big. You know what I mean? So we're just gonna see. This is a red joint. This is that cutting I had in that small pot. Wasn't doing that. So if he don't do nothing right here, I'm gonna pull him next week. You feel me? He ain't doing nothing. We'll put a little extra turbo boost on him. Let me drink some too. Alright. So now we gotta do this, dude. Alright, there you go. Oh, alright. Sorry about that. That ain't me though. Been out here working. It's hot as shit out here. Been out here for about 2 hours. Yeah. So if y'all still here with me, my little thing. So alright, so check it out. We got these planted right, so you know the roots could come out. You feel me? I don't know what's going on the app, fool. So now I'm back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I can see Instagram is hating today. Alright, because I got to pay for some expensive ass Wi-Fi, so I know this shit. You feel me? So anyways, alright, we back. Hold on. Alright, there. Boom. We got the sea moss in there. We're just going to cover him up like that. Try and get most of him. We ain't going to do too much, nothing major. You feel me? Cell phone pagers. You feel me? Just go like that. Boom. You feel me? It's pretty much the same pot and soil it was in. Cover this joint up. Just gonna cover him up. Cover this joint up, right? You don't see him. Everybody gone on the live. Alright, so now we got them all pretty much planted, right? So let's use the last of this. Ooh. The last of this little in the cup. Alright, what we gonna do next? It's nighttime is going in. They plant them at a good time. They're going to go in the night, eat all the sea moss gel. In the morning, they're going to get that good shock treatment. They're going to be like, what? Doing it too much. The sweet watermelons right here. This will probably be about 200-300 pounds worth. This is the little that. Probably goes. If I keep watering with the sea moss and the gophers don't eat it, oh, look out. I mean, until October, about a good October 10th, you know what I mean? Give me some good October 10th, you know what I mean? I'll be good, you feel me? And then I'm gonna leave some for you too, Gary. You don't gotta eat all the, you don't gotta eat them. Something talking about the gopher. Okay? That's why I got that He gonna get a little bite of that metal. He gonna leave. I gonna learn him something right there. He gonna try and run up. I'm gonna bite a piece of this. Oh man. Now we just watering the plants. We got the good sea moss nettle in there, right? We got a nice little watermelon patch. Over here, I'm gonna do some greens. I got my yellow dock, some cucumbers. Probably put some cantaloupe in the ground. Think about growing some cantaloupe. I want to eat on some cantaloupe. I'm thinking about some cantaloupe. Yeah. These good seeded joints. Yeah. All right, y'all. That's what we doing right now. It's hot as shit out here. Oh man. Don't look like nothing in here, but there's some seeds in there. Got that good sea moss. And now what we gonna do is just slightly cover this joint up. Feel me? You ain't gonna do too much, not major. Cover that joint up like that. You good to go, you heard me? Yeah, he good to go just like that. You ain't gotta do too much, it's perfect. This one too bad. It ain't gonna reach, the hose ain't gonna reach. Just do him like that, right? Boom. Boom, throw him down like that. That's all about it need. Boom. Boom, it's gonna come up. Right here, same thing. You can see a couple of sprouts in there. Just cover him up. Nothing major. Oh man. Boom. Right here. It's that chicken wire for Gary the Gopher. You feel me? Boom. Me and him got a deal going on right now. I don't call them people on you. You don't eat my watermelon. I ain't gonna kill you. I ain't gonna do it. I just need to stay somewhere till about October 20th. Leave me the hell alone. And you can have this shit back. You feel me? Last 1 year, he ate up all my shit. I was pissed off. All right, y'all, we got that good sea moss, nutrition, and nettle fertilizer on these things, right? These is red cuts right here. These first three is red cut joints. All the rest is yellow cuts out of Mississippi. These is all yellow cut joints right here. Yellow watermelons with seeds, straight from my grandfather's farm. Seeds 80, 100 years old. Had my uncle JT tap into my grandmama's thing. He went up in there and sent me them seeds. Algeria in the house. What's up? One love. Yeah, my uncle sent me these. So we cool. So what we gonna do now? We just drop a little bit more water. You know, we ain't got nothing to do. Put a light coat. You know what I mean? It's gonna be evening time, right? It's gonna be a Ruby. What happened? A few days we're gonna be checking on these to see if they come up. Feel me? It's gonna be good. These are citronella. This is citronella. It's supposed to keep that plant. That's why I got them right there. I see flies, everything all around it. I don't know. Right here. So it's all gonna be a watermelon. These are all yellow cut joints. Feel me? Nice little patch right here. Everything go right. It's gonna be a double yield, right? I promise you. Some you get usually like 4 to 5 a plant, a vine. But if I continuously use this sea moss and nettle fertilizer, I'm gonna get at least 1 or 2 extra per plant, and the yield is gonna keep going. Hold on, y'all. Let me move this real quick. All right, so there you go. There y'all have it, right? So that's it. That's what we doing out here at the Collard Green. Well, we at Alkaline Herbs and Recipes right now. I'm eating at the Collard Green Collective, y'all. All right, y'all. So that's what we doing. That's it. I'm about to go in here, drink me some more water, You know, y'all be blessed. Yeah, man.